Here I have Samsung Galaxy A3 and let me show you how to add a screen lock protection on the following device. At the very beginning, let me start by using my home screen. Let me find and select the apps icon right here. Let me choose settings. Let's scroll down and choose lock screen and security right here. Then let's choose screen lock type, and as you can see here, you should decide either you would like to choose swipe, pattern, pin or password. Let me choose pattern in my case. Let's draw your unlock pattern, tap continue, and let me do it again just for confirmation. And now we have to set the backup pin, so let me just use the simplest one, 1, 2, 3, 4 as an example only. Now you have to choose your form of notification. You can choose show all content, hide sensitive content, or don't show notification at all. Let me use show all content and tap done. That's it. You can change some settings about the screen lock, or you can simply go to the home page and let me use a power key. Now if you would like to unlock your device, you have to enter your pattern. So let me do it. And now you may use your phone. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.